Hello, my name is Cleavelan Young. I'm nearly 71 years old and I'm feeling great. As a matter of fact, I'm feeling better than I have ever felt in my life. I'm feeling that way because starting about mid-January of 1998, I have been receiving treatments and medical advice from Dr. Tipu Sultan, especially, and the staff at the Environmental Health and Allergy Clinic here in St. Louis. With that being said, I'd like to share with you some key aspects of my journey toward achieving optimum health and well-being, or how that came to be. It all started on October 1973 at age 33, when it was recommended that I undergo a one-week inpatient comprehensive physical examination and wellness assessment. The results of those examinations revealed that I was clinically obese, that I was critically pre-diabetic, and that I had a condition called essential hypertension, which is a high blood pressure condition that reportedly has no physiological causes associated with it. So, over the next 24 years, mid-October 1973 through the end of 1997, my treatments and medical advice from 5 different doctors consisted mainly of exercise programs, diabetic diet plans, and a host of prescriptions for the prominent and popular blood pressure medications of the day. While the diet and exercise advice were somewhat effective, the prescription medications only minimally lowered my blood pressure and over time brought about a series of ongoing side effects and symptoms. They included bouts with psoriasis, tightness in the head, occasional dizziness, irregular headaches, irritability, low energy, muscle aches, joint pains, and mild feelings of depression. Something had to change. So, from mid to late December 1997, I searched the internet for doctors practicing alternative approaches to standard medical treatments that could be proved beneficial to me. These searches ultimately led me to Dr. Tipu Sultan, who was the only doctor listed under environmental medicine within my geographical area at that time. In early January of 1998, I called and scheduled an appointment to discuss my medical history and symptoms with Dr. Sultan, who immediately suspected accurately that there were serious deficiencies in my bodily, nutritional, and biochemical foundation. Dr. Sultan's follow-up tests and analyses reveal that my magnesium levels were nearly completely depleted, and ordered intravenous magnesium treatments over several weeks. Within approximately 1 week and a half, 10 days, nearly all of the previously mentioned symptoms and side effects were gotten under control, and I started feeling 100% better all around. From this point in my health improvement plan, Dr. Sultan analyzed and corrected deficits in my hormone levels, my heavy metal levels in my system, my insulin metabolism, the yeast infection level in my body, and finally my mineral and vitamin levels. After completing all of that within a very reasonable length of time, I had reached an unprecedented level of health and wellness compared to the previous 24 years before Dr. Sultan started treating me. So, this brings me back full circle to my beginning statements that I'm feeling great and that I have never felt better in my entire life. I credit Dr. Tipu Sultan and staff of the Environmental Health and Allergy Clinic with making all of that possible continually.